Welcome to the Transformation Talks podcast, in-depth conversations on transformation with Rajiv Dhingra, founder and CEO of RDNX Network.
Hello and welcome everyone. This is Rajiv Dhingra and this is the introduction episode, the very first episode of Transformation Talks. Actually, there have been a lot of podcasts around. And when we at RDNX Network were wondering what should our podcast be about, and we are a transformation network that leverages AdTech, Deep Tech, and MarTech to drive transformational products and solutions, we decided that Transformation Talks would be a great topic for us to have our podcast based on. So what is Transformation Talks? We've had over 7 guests already interviewed on our podcast, and we will be launching these interviews one after the other. And let me quickly summarize what you can look forward to in each of these podcasts. You can look forward to the next decade of deep tech disruption that we are facing as the world across businesses across the world. And deep tech, each of these technologies, whether it's XR, IoT, blockchain, robotics, AI, and how it would have a deep impact on businesses, their business models, as well as the way they do operate today and in the future. We have guests with backgrounds in advertising, marketing, venture capital, as well as retail, and AdTech and MarTech also coming in and sharing their expertise on these aspects. You can also expect to hear about a unique venture capital model that leverages PhDs, scientists, to create new age deep tech solutions. You can look forward to a deeper understanding of how at the grassroots levels deep tech investments are made in very, very early stage startups. You can look forward to a transformational journey of an entrepreneur, right from starting up to listing in the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. You can hear about also interesting insights from a chief digital officer on the deep transformation that's taking place in AdTech and MarTech. And the use of marketing across the globe. You can hear about a very seasoned CIO from a retail operations background on where retail players are post the pandemic. In fact, across all our podcasts, the first 7 of our initial release in Transformation Talks, we can see every person talking about the profound impact that COVID has had on business, on the way of doing things, the sheer acceleration it has caused in the disruption that was happening slowly, but now is happening very, very fast. All this and more is expected out of the 7 episodes that we are announcing today. And you can see when these episodes are going to be aired. They're going to be each week. They are going to be published on our website, rdandx.com/podcast. And we hope to bring you even more different podcasts beyond these first 7 in our series of podcasts called The Transformation Talks. Coming to my own views over the next decade, I published an article about this recently on LinkedIn and talked about it. I believe the decade of 2020 to 2030 is going to be the decade of deep tech disruption. It's going to be a decade where every function in a company, every company in every industry in the world is going to have some or the other form of deep tech disruption, be it because of the technologies or because of the startups that leverage these deep tech and apply it to these industries, so on and so forth. I come from an advertising and marketing background, and even in that, I do believe that the tech and deep tech aspects of AI, blockchain are going to have a profound impact in the way data is secured and stored, in the way data is analyzed, in the way marketing is automated, and so on and so forth. At RDNX network, as a transformation network, we ourselves are working with some of these technologies and building products and solutions for the future. So we are not just predicting the future, we are trying to create it ourselves. And from this aspect, we spoke to these 7 esteemed guests. Right from Rishad Tobaccowala, who's the ex-chief growth officer of Publicis, to Amar Goyal, the chairman and founder of Pubmatic, to Chris Chesbro, the chief digital officer of Vela Company, as well as many others in this current series of the Transformation Talks, where we got to learn a lot about what are the kind of transformations that the industry should be looking out for, and what can we learn from those at the bleeding edge of disruption, the bleeding edge of deep tech, the bleeding edge of ad tech and martech. What can we learn from them as to what to do in the coming years as this disruption happens, and how to transform not just our companies, but talent, as well as our people, as well as, the way we transform ourselves while we take on the coming decade. So Transformation Talks is going to be an exciting series. I'm glad to announce it. I'm glad that I had the opportunity to talk to 7 such fascinating people and their views. And I'm also glad that we did it at a time where all of us are having a lot of time at home to reflect and think about the coming decade at work, as well as of our lives. Look forward to feedback, to comments as you guys listen to these podcasts, and we look forward to doing even better. Thank you so much. Keep listening to the Transformation Talks and look out for our next episode coming next week.
Thanks for listening to the Transformation Talks podcast hosted by Rajiv Dhingra, founder and CEO of RDNX Network. Tune in next week for another interesting episode.